if you're a brand or a service, if you're doing your job correctly and knowing what your customer wants, you will have a loyal customer base more often than not. The difference between the customer and the loyalty program member, in my point of view, is one has chosen to come and be with you and associate with you, not really expecting anything in return except that self-gratification. And one is clearly expecting something in return as well. Now, to get that something in return, they're willing to share something with you, which is their data, demographic data, communication data, whatever it might be. And it's in a brand's best interest to try as far as possible to migrate those loyalty customers over to become loyal customers over to become loyalty program members as well, so that you can connect with them better and really offer them what they want.